What do you like? Porsche 911. Beautiful car. Sharp looking car here. No rust at all. Absolutely phenomenal on this beautiful Porsche 911. We have some BMW 2800s here. We got another 2800 up there. We got another beautiful Alfa Romeo. There's an Alfa Romeo here. And then we have a beautiful Vespa. Get a load of that Vespa right there. Beautiful. On a scooter there, to say the very least. And then we have the big Sebring 911 Sebring here. This is a racer with the roll cage in there. You know, you always get to see everything with Mr. Sunshine, no question about it. You can see we got a lot of steering wheels, got a lot of parts, Porsche parts everywhere. Look at this. Yes, you got it all happening here. Right here, no question about it. We even have a bathroom with a air compressor in the shower. Lots of tools here, air compressors, all the goodness, all the beauty, all the grandeur located right here. There we go. We're going to take this thing out and take a look at it outside. That is 5-speed Porsche 911. Look at that. Oh boy. Sounds nice. Nice, beautiful Porsche 911. Beautiful Porsche 911. Look at that. Oh my. Yeah, that's what we got going on here. That's what's happening. Got a beautiful color on that.
Yeah, the color's really, really nice.
What color is that?
It's called Prussia Blue.
Prussia Blue. There's a Prussia Blue Porsche 911. Look at that. Glass looks beautiful. Interior, no rust. No rust on that vehicle. As you can see, take a look inside there. Wow. Look at that. All the hood and everything.
You still have the option sticker up here.
It's got the option sticker up here. Look at it. Even get the option sticker.
The owner manual.
Owner's manual.
The maintenance manual has the same sticker. That's
got the same maintenance manual. Get a load of that. Yes. Sounds very nice. Right here in sunny South Florida.